Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover this traditional Jamaican architectural home with modern aesthetic inside, exuding comfort and an ample space for relaxed living. Located in the cool lush hills of Limehall, St. Anne, less than 10 minutes drive from the major town of St. Anne's Bay, with unlimited shopping, restaurants, beaches, and other amenities. The house sits on a quarter acre of land adorned with fruit trees and fresh, cool air. Consists of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This home has a ground and first floor, each being self contained with its own entrance. First floor has 2 beds, 2 bath, with open concept living and dining, with offshoot to a well appointed kitchen, front and back patio. Ground floor has 2 bed, 1 bath with open concept kitchen, living and dining. This property is suitable for returning residents, retirees, or savvy investor seeking short or long-term income on platforms such as Airbnb. It boasts a security system, 10,000-gallon underground water tank, covered garage, and water heater. Make the call to make this home yours. Let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 315,000 or Jamaican $49.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.